Okay, this is the second half of the aviation shot. You'll be able to see the little planes that they have up there a little bit better. All the cute little ones. Everything that's being worked on, look at that. These are all pieces that are being worked on. And you can see some that are way up there hanging. Look at this one here. Look at that. And we have the baskets over there. You have engines and everything all over there. Look at some of these engines here. Look at that. I got plenty of engines there they're working on. Some more little metal cars, metal little airplanes. There's some more engine. Look at that. This is where you really get into seeing the engine here. That's just cool to have all this out here for us to see. Of course, with the little planes, the little metal ones for the kids to pedal around and everything. Look at that. Of course, you got your propellers up there and everything. But wow, look at this. Well, you guys would like to see all the engine that goes inside of a plane. Look at this. There's a lot to it. Look at all the gears here. Look at all that. Makes you wonder, you know, when you fly a plane, if there's a little something that goes wrong. Well, look at everything that's in here. You know, there's an awful lot to it. A little something goes wrong, that's definitely going to be understandable, huh? Look at everything here. Wow. Look at all that. Alright. Engine of a plane.